Again, indefinite integrals. We have x, this piece right here, x, we add 1 to this exponent, we get a 3. And then we have to make sure that we have a 3 in front when we take the derivative. So when we take the derivative of this, the 3 comes down. That would be 3x squared. So that one's taken care of. Plus x squared, we add 1 to that exponent. Now when we bring this 2 down, it needs to become 1 over 2, 1/2, which means that this needs to be 1/4 plus c. Second one is much more difficult. However, this technique is for some students it's very hard to identify, and the big tip-off for me is if you have one term on the bottom and many terms on the top, just split it up. So don't do anything except split it up for now. T squared plus root t over t squared dt. And then we can start combining things. So that's t times t to the half. So that's t to the 1 and t to the half. It's 1.5. So that's 3/2 over t squared plus t to the 1/2 over t squared dt. Now we subtract these powers. Same base. We can subtract them. So 3/2 minus 2. That's 1.5 minus 2. That's t to the -1/2 plus 1/2 minus 2 is minus 3/2 dt. Okay, so now we have t, add 1, we get 1/2. So when I bring that half down, it has to become a 1. That's a 1 right there. So bring the half down. That means it needs to be a 2. Plus t minus 3/2 plus 1 is minus 1/2. When I bring down that minus 1/2, when I take the derivative, it needs to become a 1. So minus 1/2. So this must be minus 2 plus c. And then if you want to rewrite this a little bit nicer, we can have 2 root t. The general rule is if it came in roots at the start, you need to leave it in roots at the end. So minus 2 divide root t plus c.